In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how the facility benchmarking tool can be used to scope a complex project in under 2 hours. The tool and the process it enables uses pre-vetted options aligned to your company's building standards to assist users in making informed selections based upon a project's business requirements. These standards are documented on templates and organized by discipline to form the building blocks of the tool. The screen you see in front of you is the main user interface. On the left is the navigation panel. We have already selected the demonstration project to work on. The upper right area of the user interface contains general information. For the purposes of this demonstration, it has already been populated with beginning project scope assumptions such as building height, number of stories, type of facility, building size, lot size, project type including new construction, tenant improvement, and existing building assessment options, project size, which for example may be different than building size in the case of a tenant improvement project, cost, which is typically filled in at the end of the project once known, project year, and whether the project is a GMP facility, code year with the ability to add a list of applicable codes, occupancy or permitting strategy, which calculates occupancy percentages based on building size, and finally use type. Use type is a more detailed look at the high-level functions planned for the facility. In this case, the project will have biology lab, analytical lab, lab support, and office space. The use type function calculates building utilization based on project size. The actual scoping process begins once a stage and template set are optioned. Since we are just beginning this project, we select the project initiation stage and the environmental, civil, structural, and architectural module. Once selected, the template list appears with indicators as to level of completion on the navigation bar. The templates themselves with support functions such as past project search and response history appear on the right. Please also note that on the top are the reports, abbreviations, help, and owners and participants buttons. To continue with the process, project teams navigate through the templates and make selections based on the 3 pre-populated levels of building quality: baseline or level 1, enhanced or level 2, and intricate or level 3, which you can see along the top of the screen. Each project receives an FPT score, which is the average of all the selection levels made for the project. The FPT score is a benchmarking tool used for comparing project complexity and cost relationships between facilities. I'm going to hide the project information to provide more visual space for making template selections. The meaning of each selection level is described by the visual aids, summary descriptions, and detailed criteria, as well as the cost, schedule, sustainability, risk, reliability, and safety impacts shown in each selection levels column. Users simply click on the appropriate option and then enter the rationale behind the decision in the notes field. Let's navigate to the foundation template since we can see from the yellow indicator with the question mark that it hasn't been completed. Let's say that this project is on a company campus in the San Francisco Bay Area. We know that this site has poor soil quality and that the project is a high-rise building. The intricate selection level best describes the conditions. I'm going to click on intricate and then write about the poor soils and building height in the notes field. That's it. I can now move on to the next incomplete template, which is building structure. Let's look at baseline. Floor loading is 50 pounds per square foot and vibration is high. This project is a lab building and we expect to have sensitive equipment, so want to plan for increased floor loading and vibration control. Enhanced is the most accurate selection level. I click on it and record notes regarding floor loading and vibration. As you can see, the environmental, civil, structural, and architectural module is complete. The same process is used with the mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and automation module, office and amenity module, and laboratory module. The tool also contains a corporate real estate site selection module to assist with criteria evaluation for different site options. Once a project is complete, users can navigate to the Reports button to access the available tool reports. For example, let's run a project report. A number of sort options are available. For this demonstration, we will run the report in the order in which the templates are presented. Here's the report. On the top is the project data. You can also see the FPT score in bold. Below that is a list of all the templates, the selection level, the decision rationale behind the selection, and the cost, schedule, and sustainability impacts. Reports can be saved, emailed, or printed as necessary. Let's look at another report, the Requirements Summary. This report can be used to communicate the basis of design intention for the project. It also has the project data along with a list of each template, the criteria or standards associated with it, and the notes related to the template selection. The Notes field can be used to record exceptions or build upon particularly important aspects of the criteria. Other functions include tracking projects across the project's lifecycle, documenting selection level changes, and updating and adding new templates and modules. The Facility Benchmarking tool is completely customizable through its user interface. And that takes us to the end of this demonstration. Now you have a basic understanding of the Facility Benchmarking tool and its user functionality. Thank you for your time today. For more information, please contact us at info@planningartsinc.com or at the number shown below.